Hi, I'm Marissa Boone with Rebecca Steves Realty. Welcome to 14 Hazen Drive. This beautiful new construction home features a modern farmhouse style. Let's take a look. Enjoy the peace and quiet, as the property is just shy of 2 acres and is located at the end of a private, low-traffic road. Enter to a spacious mudroom with access to the oversized garage and heated workshop. Next is the beautiful kitchen with quartz countertops, under cabinet lighting, and a butler's pantry. The dinette follows, offering additional lighting for a cozy seating area. From here, head into the spacious living room, which accesses the covered front veranda. The den could also be a main floor bedroom for those seeking one-level living. This level also hosts a formal dining room, full bathroom, and a laundry room. Enjoy year-round comfort and convenience with the forced air heat pump with central air. Head up the solid maple stairwell to find 3 spacious bedrooms and another full bathroom. The primary bedroom boasts a beautiful ensuite bathroom with double vanity, soaker tub, and a beautiful walk-in tile shower. The lower level awaits your finishing touch, with egress windows for additional bedrooms. Thanks for watching. For more information on 14 Hazen Drive and Killarney Road, visit realtor.ca.